Hi guys, I just wanted to have a look at one of these types of questions. Now it's a distance time graph and it says at the beginning, Tara is travelling to Ella's house. Tara sets off from home and travels 50 kilometres in 15 minutes. Well, that's all I need to look at for a start. So the key thing is she sets off from home. So you can see I'm putting this dot just right there, so that means after no minutes she's travelled no miles, no kilometres rather. Right, in order to place this next dot, it says Tara sets off from home and travels 50 kilometres in 15 minutes. So let's have a look at this scale down here. I've got 20 minutes making these 4 blocks up, so 20 divided by 4 is 5, so each of these blocks is worth 5. So 15 minutes will be 3 blocks. So I've got 15 minutes there. And it says she's travelled 50 kilometres. So that's going to take me right up there. 3 blocks along for the 15 minutes and then 50 kilometres. It says Tara stays at Ella's house for 15 minutes. Well, like I just said before, each block is worth 5 minutes. But if she stayed there, she's left there, and then it says Tara travels home and arrives back after 25 minutes. Right, well, I might just look up here and say, okay, so there's my 5 blocks on from where I was, but I've gone all the way home, so I'm now back at the beginning. Okay, and you can see I'm a little bit out, but I'm hoping it's going to allow me that as my answer. So all I did was do it bit by bit. The key thing was when I was at home, I hadn't travelled anywhere, so that was here. And when I wasn't travelling anywhere, when it says I wasn't travelling anywhere, stayed at Ella's house for 15 minutes, and when Tara stayed at Ella, that was just a flat piece. And then when it says come home, she was coming back down to the line again. So the bottom line is where you are at home, and then anything up from there is how far you are away from home. One of the key things I did was to say, okay, this block here represented 20 minutes, but that was split into 4 equal sized blocks. So every square along on the right hand side was worth 5 minutes. And I think that's important to say. Okay, I hope you get on well with these questions.